Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a dedicated study notebook for the course and naming it clearly so you can find it instantly. Once created, add sections for lectures, readings, and assignments. Use section groups for semesters to stay organized. Then make a default page template for notes and set up tags like to do and important so you save time later. This initial setup gives you a repeatable structure. Do this now and you'll avoid scattered notes as the semester builds. You now focus on capturing material efficiently. Use quick notes during fast moments and apply your page templates for consistent layouts. Record lectures when allowed, insert PDFs for readings, and clip web content directly into relevant pages so everything lives together. Once content is in, tag key items, use OneNote search to find terms across notebooks, and create page links to connect concepts. These steps turn raw material into a searchable study system. You finish by turning notes into study-ready formats. Create review pages, summarize lectures into outlines, and use tags to build flashcard lists, export or print PDFs for offline study. Make sure to sync so your phone, tablet, and laptop all match. This prevents lost edits. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot quickly. Check your internet and account sign-in, force a sync, and remove or compress very large attachments. That gets you back on track and preserves your study flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.